Test, test, test. Let me know how we sounded, y'all. Let me know how we sounded. Test, test, test. Go ahead and like the lives. Y'all hop up in here, y'all. Go ahead and like the lives. Y'all hop up in here. About to break some stuff down in a second. You already know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. I'm looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. It's Tuesday, December 10th. Yeah, I like how this is looking right here. So I want to see how this closes. As long as it doesn't fly past this level here, I want to see if we can wait for this to close right here. But I like how this is looking right here. Again, drop the Sunday chart analysis for y'all on Sunday. Make sure to check that out if you have not already. Again, the Sunday chart analysis goes over what we see price doing, not just Sunday night, but throughout the entire week. Some charts are already starting to go as projected, but the week has just started, so make sure to still check that out. First link in the description. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, y'all, because in 2 months, TikTok will be gone in the US. So all my beautiful TikTok followers, you will not see me anymore in 2 months unless things change from now. So make sure to subscribe to the YouTube and follow me on Instagram. All right, y'all. All right, so we're about to see how this 15 closes. So we've got a few setups we're looking at right now. We're going to be looking at GJ buys and GN buys, same game plan setup from yesterday. Gold, we're going to be looking at possible gold buys. That is if we can hold 26.74 as support. As we see last night, or no, that was yesterday. Yesterday, price rejected that level. Last night, it rejected that level as well. So we're going to see if we can break and hold that level as support. If not, we still got that sell setup. We're going to be looking for down here. So again, we're waiting for price to be winners. Things either hold as low as support, go for buys, or hold as low as resistance that we're going for sales. We're not doing anything in between this range right here. We're not doing anything in between this range right here. Then with NAS, we need to retrace like we're talking about. We're still moving for buys unless it does something interesting. But the main two charts and pairs we're going to be looking at is GJ and G. All right. G, we're going to be leaving alone as well, unless again it can break this resistance level, hold it as support. But as we can see, it's still kind of struggling to come back the other way through the level of traffic. It's struggling a little bit to break through this level of traffic, but then it fails to hold and stay underneath it. So now we're kind of struggling, bringing ourselves back up through the level of traffic, which is what's going on right now. So we're just going to let price do this thing. We're just going to pay attention to these two pairs right here. Again, like we talked about in the Sunday chart analysis, there is no high impact news today. So it's simply just a regular Tuesday. We're waiting for volume and our confirmations to be met. All right, y'all. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. If you have any charts, drop them in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Chilling, patiently waiting right now. My bad, y'all. I'm over here talking to myself. Let me catch up to this chat really quick. GBPJPY, what is your point of view? We can talk about it in a second. I got you. My bad. I just saw that message. I was doing the things behind the scenes, responding to messages and things like that. Um, so again, like we was talking about during yesterday's live stream with GN, this is the highest price was before we had the reversals and stuff like that. So we need to hold this level as support. Now, GN has done a big move for the day already, but it's going to need to break and hold this level as support for the uptrend to continue, or we're just going to be playing ring around the rosy again. But as far as GJ, and all these charts and pairs, I went over the Sunday chart analysis, first link in the description. So make sure to hit the first link in the description, join the Telegram, and watch the Sunday chart analysis. But we're looking for buys on GJ. So right now, we're looking to see if it can break and hold 193.60 as support. If it can hold 193.60 as support, I'm looking for buys going to 195.15. That's what I'm looking at right now. We have bullish momentum, but again, like all these other pairs, we got these levels of traffic that we're breaking through. Now, it's not impossible to break through these levels. It's just going to take some volume to break through these levels. But that's what I'm looking for right now, which is also why price has kind of just been ranging, chilling here, literally since the middle of New York session yesterday. And also why we see stuff like GU hugging, chilling on these levels for weeks at a time and things like that. Yeah, well, that's why I see what you got. Those who join the stream, we're not into this yet. It's just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. You got a new analysis dropping for y'all today as well, y'all. If you haven't checked the two analysis I dropped the other day, make sure to check those out. But I'm going to be doing an update of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana analysis for y'all, okay? Because they're at important and crucial price points, and depending on what happens from this point, we're either going to see a big push or a big retracement. We kind of had a nice little retracement itself yesterday as far as crypto is concerned. You already know I went and copped some more. Again, we're waiting to see if we can hold this low as support right here. Got a new 5 minute about to pop up in a little bit. We see these charts still napping. Nothing we can do about that. Again, it's just Tuesday. And like I was talking about for the past couple of weeks, we do got the holidays right around the corner. But the market's just opened up, so we're still waiting, y'all. This is how it was. What day was it? Last week too, but we still caught some nice moves last week. So again, the reason why we didn't the trigger is because it did not hold this level as support. It broke above it, but like we was talking about, we wanted to wait for the candle to close to see if it could hold the level as support, but it did not hold the level as support as of right now. But we're about to see what this next 5 minute looks like. Again, if it can hold 1890 as support, we can look for buys going to 1980, right? And we're also looking for GJ buys, but again, GJ's been consolidating and chilling here literally since 11 a.m. yesterday. So if it can break through this small level, and if it can hold 193.80 as support, we can look for buys going to 195.10. That's what we're looking at right now. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we get any charts, drop them in the chat. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join free Instagram for Telegram. We caught a nice move yesterday. Well, yesterday/Friday. This was the GP New Zealand trade that we took on Friday, but Friday it hit TP5. And then on Monday night, well, Sunday night going to Monday, it hit the rest of the TPs, got 103 pips there. So that's how we did yesterday. We went 3-1 last week, giving 75% win rate, catching a total of 356 pips. And then how we ended last month, in November, we went 14-1, giving a 93% win rate. So again, there's no need to rush to try to pull the trigger or force the setup that's not there yet, because we're up for the week, we're up for the month. We had a great month last month, so there's no reason to do anything dumb just to keep it, blunt and take some of your profits away. Got a new video dropping for y'all later on today. Y'all make sure to be on the lookout for that. But make sure to explore the playlist and the channel. Again, we're not just sitting here listening to music. Actually pay attention to what the candlesticks are doing and not doing, because that's going to help you in the future and future trades, future setups. Like I tell the members and students all the time, price isn't coming up with new moves or tactics. They use the same handful of tricks every day, every week. So the more time you put studying and actually paying attention to what's happening on the charts, the easier it's going to be for you. Again, we've been live since 3 a.m. We go to the 3 a.m. candlestick, which would be this one right here. When you see literally for the past 30 going on 45 minutes, price has not moved at all. Right. So even and same thing right here. So even if we would have taken a trade, it's not like anything would have changed from when we started this live versus when we took the trade. So again, that's just all the more reason to again stick to your game plan and just wait for what you know is going to happen, right? Which is what volume and our confirmations to be met. Right. On the charts into your analysis, you figure out what your game plan is going to be, what pairs, what charts you're going to be looking at, whether you're going to be looking for buys or sells on those pairs of charts. You figure out when and where you're going to be looking for buys or sells. Then you wait for your confirmation to see your price will even reach that level and show you the signs that that move can even possibly happen. Y'all, we're almost at 2,000. Where we at right now? We're almost at 2,900 subscribers. We can get to that easily. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. All playlists are up to date. All right, again, y'all. So as far as news today, there's nothing going on. We got Australian news last night, but there's nothing going on today as far as high impact news. Now we do got a lot of news picking up from tomorrow and Thursday, and then we don't really got anything Friday. So again, we're simply just waiting for volume right now. So again, make sure to hit that first link in the description. Check out the Sunday chart analysis. We'll explore the channel. All right, I dropped the Sunday chart analysis for y'all Sunday night. Again, it goes over not just what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but what we see price doing throughout the entire week. So right now we're going to be looking to see if GN can hold this level as support. If GN can hold 1900 as support, we can look for continued buys going to 1980. And then if GJ can hold 193.80, 193.75 as support, we can look for buys going to 195.15. That's the game plan right there. We can also see possible gold buys again, but you can see a pattern here how on all these charts you either have low volume currently, or we're looking for buys or sells at price rejected multiple times. So again, we're simply just waiting for volume to kick in. All right, y'all. Got a new video dropping for y'all later on today. Make sure to have your bells on so y'all don't miss out on that. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free student for Telegram, y'all. Make sure also following Instagram and TikTok. Y'all see that scroll at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram playmaker_away. TikTok _playmaker_away _. We're posting daily on there as well. Again, the crypto telegram is open to get access to it. You just got to do 3 things for me. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Once you're doing all 3 of those, send me a DM, screenshot, and I'll send you a link to the telegram, y'all. But yeah, I'm still gonna be on the charts, but you already know we're just waiting for volume right now. We're gonna see what this next hour looks like. I want to see if we can take some setups going into New York before New York session, but if we have to wait for New York for volume to kick in like yesterday, it is what it is, y'all. All right, we'll be back at the same time tomorrow, London session 3 a.m. EST.